Salvies, welcome back again to another reaction video. It's the girl Jisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. I got flour in my hand. So if I get started into this video, I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time when I post another video. Because I post 3 times a week, which is Monday, Wednesday, Saturday at 3 p.m. Yada yada yada. Yeah. And I also started to post reaction videos every day. Not on Sunday though, but every day. From Monday to Saturday, but not Sunday. So I got a video suggestion video, whatever, one of my subscribers. So one of my subscribers said I'm supposed to react to a video. Jesus Christ, y'all. Gary Henrique or Gary Henrique, I don't know. Yes. Hello cover Beyonce. So I'm gonna go ahead and react to it because I know that song. So let's put this earphone in. I didn't know what I always do. Oh, let's go from 1 to 3 before I do this, because yeah. So yeah, the video is gonna be over here, up top, whatever. Anywhere it's gonna be, but it's gonna be somewhere at the top or at the bottom. Let's try to put it at the bottom because I've been put it at the top. So let's go.
Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my hand now. It's like I've been waking. Every rule I had to break it. It's the risk that I taken. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere look now, I saw by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You ever feel me more? Sweet little love your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray not to fade away. I can feel your halo. You're the only one that I want. Think I'm addicted to your light. I swear I'll never fight again, but this don't ever feel like falling. Gravity can't forget to pull me back to the ground again. Feels like I've been awakened. Every rule I had to break it, yeah. The risk that I taken, and I ain't never gonna shut you out.
a round of applause. Oh God, wait. Oh my God, that music, that voice is just so. But yeah, I love that song so much. Like Sun Kiss. That song is like wow. So y'all, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys like this video. Like this video. Like this video. Because if you don't like this video, like, yeah, subscribe. It's free, because I know everybody love free stuff. So I know I love free stuff. So I love to click it free. So click that red button down there. It's over here, down there. Yep, right down there. A red button in a rectangle. See right here? And right, SUBSCRIBE. Subscribe. Also put that thumbs up. Not this one. This one. So do that for me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Everything. Comment down below what video you want me to react to, because I'll make a reaction video. Because yeah, so comment down below what video you want me to do a reaction to, and I'll do it for y'all, because you know. Yes. So yeah, also get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. My birthday is in October, so get for 1,000 subscribers before my birthday, or before Christmas, because I really do. I want to start the new year with something real fresh. So with the 1K subscribers, yeah, if you can get to 5K, well, you know, you're spoiling a girl, but I love that if you can do that to 5K. But yeah, but get me to 1K though. But anyway, before this tie head fall off my head, whatever, I gotta go. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.